Okay.
Are we live? Say hi.
Hi!
This is
Ourplaydiary.
okay. Our play diary is made up of what's your name?
Danny,
And
Lucius, Mommy. No, Allison.
okay, and together we make our play diary. Okay. So now, what are we gonna do today?
Make slime.
Make slime. So, do you know how to make slime?
Yes.
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 Okay. What's the first thing you're supposed to do?
First, take this
What's that?
baking soda.
And how much baking soda? Half teaspoon of baking soda, and you're gonna put it in
Here.
here. Okay. And then we're gonna take some. What's that?
Water.
Water.
Pour it inside.
No, you're gonna pour half cup of water. More. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Some more. Okay, stop. Okay. Now we're gonna pour half cup of water into the baking soda and give it a good stir. Okay. Meanwhile, what is Lucius going to do? What's this, Lucius? How much glue? Half cup. Okay. Half a cup of glue, and he's going to add some. What's that?
Where I know this contact lens solution.
Okay. And how much contact lens solution?
One teaspoon.
1 tablespoon. Okay. Squeeze some more. And some more. And some. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. And we're going to pour it into the
Done.
glue. And you're going to give it a good stir.
Where did I put this?
Put it
Okay.
on. Okay. Stir. Oh, can you see it's becoming thicker? It's almost becoming like slime, right? Yeah, that means so that means it's working. Okay, so now after you give it a good stir, we're going to Danny's going to take the baking soda and water and pour it inside. And Lucius is going to stir it.
Okay. Now it's more liquidy with the water.
Liquid, yeah, but it will get thicker. Can you see it becoming thicker?
Yeah. It just looks like a blob. Yeah, now it's becoming like oh, this is how. Oh.
Yes, that's what slime looks like, right?
Yeah.
It looks like
This is why it looks like without color.
without color. Yeah. After this, we're going to add some
Color. We're going to add pink and blue.
Yeah. So Lucius is getting pink. And
Other way around, other way around. I am so sorry.
Lucius is getting blue, and then he's getting
Pink.
pink. Okay. So you need to give it a good stir. Okay. So the more you play with it,
Yeah.
the more slime-like it will become.
Not dry.
Yeah.
So squishy.
Okay, shall we split it into 2 different bowls so that you can add 2 different colors?
Yeah. I'll take this. I
1, 2. Let's pull it up. Okay, so you're gonna put it into 2 different containers.
That's
So you can
Spider-Man.
add 2 different colors. Okay, here. That's 1. Guys, get it off my hand.
No. What's stuck on my hand?
Okay, and the other one here.
Like glue, still glue.
Okay. Okay, now you can pick your color. Where's your color? Okay, just add one drop because this one is
Because every time I touch it,
super.
I get blue fingers.
Because this one is quite concentrated, the color.
Should I open it?
Yeah. Do you know how to open it?
No. Take out the cat.
Yeah. Oh, my hand. Okay. There.
Okay,
Just
now
one drop. Here.
Done.
And one drop for you.
Squeeze.
Okay. Now you can use your hand and fold it and mix it. Just push it down.
No.
Yeah.
Your hand for him.
Yeah.
That's easy. Ew. Oh, this is sticky.
Oops. I think I added some blue.
Oops.
Yeah, mix it all up and you have blue and pink slime.
Done.
What's the rabbit? Oh.
Cameraman.
Okay,
quiet.
so you can also add anything you want to it. Like you can make fluffy slime with shaving foam, and you can also add glitter and any toys and charms that you like into your slime. Okay, that's all, guys. We are. Oh, and if you find this like too messy for you to do, you can always buy it off us, Ourplaydiary. Visit our store and send us a message. Say bye.
Bye. It's real oozy.